Hello lovely yogi, welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya and today I'm bringing you a sunrise yoga flow. You can use this quick flow to help wake you up and energize you in the morning as you wake up with the sun. So if you want to start your day energized, come flow with me. Let's begin in a child's pose. Bring your big toes together, take your knees wide, and sink your upper body down towards your mat. Tune into your breath. Deep inhale, smooth exhale. In fact, on your next inhale, take a deep breath in through the nose. Drop your jaw and let it all go. Maybe even open and close your mouth a few times. Maybe even stick your tongue out. Release any tension in your jaw. And continue breathing in and out through the nose. And inhale, come up into all fours. Take your time as you make your way onto hands and knees. Wrists, elbows, and shoulders all in one line. Knees right underneath the hips. Drop your belly low. Lift your chest as you inhale. Exhale, arch the upper back and look through your thighs for a cow pose. Inhale for your cow pose. Exhale for your cat pose. Follow your own breath. And take a few more rounds. Going as slow as you need to. Lingering wherever you need to. One more inhale. And as you exhale, come back to center. Neutral spine here. And tuck your toes under here so you can have a little bit more balance. Inhale your right arm up and your left leg back. Just breathe here, engaging your core. Exhale and lower. Inhale the left arm up and the right leg back. Engage your core and breathe. Exhale and lower down. Inhale the right arm up and the left leg back. Exhale and lower down. Opposite side. Inhale and lengthen. Exhale and lower down. We'll take 2 more rounds. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale and lower down. Inhale last time. Exhale and lower down. Exhale, sink your hips back towards your heels, keeping your toes tucked under. Feel the stretch in the bottoms of your feet here. Inhale, come back up into tabletop. Exhale into your downward facing dog. Take your time here. It's your first down dog of the day. Fill out your feet. Again, going slow, lingering wherever you need to. Inhale into your high heels and exhale, lower the heels. Inhale into the high heels, exhale and lower. Remember that your heels never have to touch the ground. Just energetically continue to send them downward. Have the belly button up and in. Bend the knees as you look forward and then walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway, pinch the shoulder blades behind you, look slightly ahead of your mat. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold one more time. And this time as you inhale, rise up to standing one vertebrae at a time. Palms come to heart center. Find your mountain pose here, palms come by your sides. Taking your time as you steady yourself. strengthen, grounding down through the feet. Inhale, send the arms up. Take a mini back bend here. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms down, lunge the right leg back, lower the back knee. Inhale into your low lunge. Exhale, plant both palms down, send the left knee back, lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale, baby cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, tuck the toes under for your downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale as you step it forward in between your palms, lower the back knee down. Inhale into your low lunge. Exhale, frame the right foot. Tuck the back toes under, lift the back knee. Exhale as you step forward, forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold once more. Inhale, rise up all the way. Palms come to heart center. This is your classical Surya Namaskar. Inhale the arms up. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms. This time lunging the left leg back. Lower the back knee. Inhale. Exhale, frame the right foot. Step the right knee back. You can stay on your knees here. Exhale as you lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale into your upward dog or baby cobra. Exhale, find your downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, step it in between your palms, lower the back knee. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, frame the left foot. Lift the back knee, step forward as you exhale. Forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold once more. Inhale, rising up all the way. Palms will reach up. Mini back bend. Exhale the palms to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, both feet, finding your plank pose. Remember, you can always come onto your knees here. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower down halfway. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Sun salutation A. Can't have a sunrise flow without some sun salutations. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale as you step it forward. Inhale into your high crescent lunge this time. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. And then as you straighten out your leg, reach the right arm forward and lower it down into your triangle pose. Keep your core strong. Keep that upper arm back, shoulder open, heart open. Exhale, bend the knee. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the palms down. Step back, vinyasa or not. Meet me in downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg high. Exhale and step it forward. Inhale into your high crescent lunge. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, straighten up the front leg. Triangle pose as you reach the left fingertips up. Feel the energy as you press the fingertips away from each other. Inhale, bend the knee, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the palms down. Step back, lower down. Meet me in downward facing dog, however you choose to get there. Catch your breath here in your down dog. Take a deep breath in. Drop your jaw and let it all go. Exhale, lower down to your knees. Cross at the ankles as you make your way into a seat. Shift yourself to the center of your mat. Find your hip bones, find your sit bones. As you shift here, straightening out the legs. Inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale as you hinge at the hips and reach forward. You can grab onto your toes or your feet, ankles, shins, thighs, wherever your palms land is perfectly fine. Hug your belly button up and in to deepen your fold. Take a few cycles of breath here. Gently engage your core as you walk your palms back. Inhale. Then bend the knees. Exhale and lower down gently and slowly. As you make your way onto your back, walk the heels in towards your glutes. We'll find bridge pose next. Tuck your shoulders underneath you. Inhale and lift the hips. We'll take this one breath at a time, repeating bridge pose. Exhale and lower. Inhale and lift the hips. Exhale and lower the hips, pressing into the feet. Inhale, lift. Follow your own breath. Exhale and lower. 2 more times. Inhale and lift. Exhale and lower. Strengthening your legs as you prepare yourself for the day. One more inhale. Pause here and breathe. Engage your core, squeeze the air between your thighs. Exhale and lower down 1 vertebrae at a time. Hug your knees into your chest and rock side to side or forward and back. Reach through and grab onto your toes or your feet. If you can't, you can just grab onto your shins or grab the backs of your thighs. Find your happy baby. Again, you always have the option to find stillness here or find some movement, whatever serves you. Exhale, hug the knees into your chest once more, and then drop both knees over to the left side. Extend the right arm out to the right. Turn your chin towards your right shoulder. Inhale, make your way back to center. Exhale, both knees to the right side. Extend the left arm out. Turn the chin towards your left shoulder. Make your way back to center. Extend your legs out long. Palms by your side. Find your Shavasana. Take a deep breath in. Drop your jaw and let it all go. Melt into your mat. I hope you enjoyed that flow, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. In fact, if you really feel like it, you can practice this flow any time of day. It always means a lot to me if you click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow when you share it with those you care about or on social media. If you do share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. Everything I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below, in case you're interested. You can find more Vinyasa yoga flows in this playlist right here, and you can also find relaxing yoga and yin yoga flows on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.